Hey everyone, welcome back. So, how many of us have found ourselves starving into the fridge after a long day, hoping some magic healthy meal will just appear? Yeah, I have been there. And let's be honest, we often end up reaching for something quick. And let's face it, probably unhealthy. But what if I told you that with a little bit of planning you could take control of your meal, your health, and ultimately how you look and how you feel? Meal prep is not just for bodybuilders or fitness enthusiasts. It's for everyone who want to make healthy eating easier. Trust me, it's a total game changer, and today I am going to show you how to make a meal prep simple, efficient, and even fun. And let's talk insecurities for a second. We have all looked in the mirror and felt like something wasn't quite right, whether it's feeling sluggish, dealing with breakouts, or even struggling with weight. A lot of that can tie back to our diet. What we put in our diet that matter not for our health but for our confidence too. That's why today I want you to help you empower to take control of your what you can eat in a way that fits your life. Why meal prep matters more than just food. So why should you meal prep? It's not just about convenience, although it's a huge part of it. It's about making better choices for ourselves, staying consistent, and yes, looking better in the process. I know firsthand how easy it is to feel overwhelmed by healthy eating. For years, I struggled to stay consistent. I'd start the week with great intentions, but by Wednesday, I'd be ordering takeouts, and by Friday, I'd feel sluggish and guilty. It wasn't until I started prepping my meals that I noticed a real game changer in my energy, mood, and yes, my appearance. But let me be clear, this isn't about being perfect or following a super strict diet. It's about creating a routine that works for you, your goals, and your lifestyle. Whether you are aiming to lose weight, get stronger, or just feel better day by day, meal prep can help get you there. Planning your meals. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of meal prepping. The first step, planning. If you don't plan, meal prep can feel overwhelmed, but once you get the hang of it, it's super simple. The key here is balance. Your meal should have a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This isn't about cutting out food groups or following some restrict diet. It's about fueling your body in the right way. Here are 3 things to think about when planning your meals. Choose meals you actually enjoy. You are not going to stick with this if you are forcing yourself to eat bland, boring food. Pick meal that's flavorful, satisfying, and easy to make in batches. Number 2. Consider your week ahead. Look at your schedule. Are these days when you need quick on the go to meals? Maybe on slower days you can cook something a little more in bulk. Number 3, make a grocery list. Once you have got your meal planning, write down exactly what you need. This will save you from impulse buying and make your shopping trips much quicker. Now that we have got a plan, it's time to prep. Set aside a couple of hours, one day a week. Sunday works great for most of people to prep your meals for next few days. You don't have to cook every single meal, but even prepping a few key ingredients can make a huge difference. Let's say you have planned to make a quinoa salad, grilled chicken and roasted veggies. Cook your quinoa in bulk. It stores really well and can be used in different dishes throughout the week. Grill enough chicken for multiple meals and roast a big tray of veggies. that you can mix and match. Here's a hack: keep your ingredients simple but braid the seasoning. You can use grilled chicken in a wrap one day and on a salad the next, just by switching up the spices. That way you won't get bored eating the same thing every day. Step storage. You have done the hard part. Now you need to keep everything fresh and ready to go. Invest in good quality airtight containers. Trust me, this will make world of difference. Your food will stay fresh longer and you can easily stock everything in the fridge. Plus, if your meals are already frozen out, you are much less likely to overeat. Another great tip: use clear containers so you can see what's inside. It's a little thing but makes meal prep so much more organized and accessible. Meal prep for different goals. Okay, so now you are probably wondering what kind of meal should I prep depending on my goals. Whether you are aiming to build muscles, lose fat, or just maintain your current weight, your meals can support your goals. For weight loss, focus on meals that are high in protein and fiber, like chicken with veggies or big salad with quinoa. This will keep you full longer without loading up on empty calories. For muscles gain, if you are trying to build muscles, you will want to incorporate more protein and healthy carbs like brown rice, lean beef, or tofu stir fry. For overall health and energy, if you are just trying to feel better and have more energy, balance is key. Aim for mix of protein, carbs, and healthy fats in every meal. So there you have it, a complete breakdown on how to make a meal prep easy, efficient, and totally doable for your life. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Start small, maybe with just a few meals each week, and build from there. The more you practice, the easier it will get. Soon it will get second of nature. By prepping your meals ahead of times, you are not only saving yourself time and stress, you are taking control of your health, your appearance, and how you feel. And trust me, that's feel amazing. So here's your channel this week: plan and prep at least 3 meals. Take the first step and see how much of difference it makes. And don't forget to come back and share your success stories in the comments. We are all in this together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a little help with their meal prep.